How to add someone on Telegram with email. So Telegram does not support adding someone directly by email. Users on Telegram are identified by phone number or the username. However, here are a few alternative ways to connect with someone using their email indirectly. Number 1 step is to ask for their Telegram username. For example, if you have their email, send them a message via email asking, "What's your Telegram username so I can add you?" Once you have it, open Telegram and search for their username. Second option is to simply sync phone contacts. If you have their phone number saved in your phone's contact and they are on Telegram, then simply open the Telegram, tap on to add contacts and simply add a new contact. Unfortunately, there is no way to search Telegram by email address due to privacy and security policies. If you like, I can show you how to create an invite link or QR code instead, which they can use to connect with you. And that's it. This is how you can add someone on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.